Well, this is going to be slightly confusing, but I've been having some issues trying to 3D print this. Hello everyone, sorry for the delay, but the 3D printing had been giving me some issues earlier and I had to go through a couple of reiterations. Anyways, here's the filament. I use a PLA Plus, and then this is the print. It didn't come out too bad actually. Look at this. Hand for scale. Here's the rear side of the print. So this is all printed as one piece. And then the top section, I printed that part out. It's just a piece of a capping layer. It's just a cap. That's all it is. Wall. A roof. A top shelf, that's what we call it. Anyways, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to finish putting it together. I'm going to clamp the two pieces, glue it, and then I need to drill 2 holes here for the actual speaker wiring, and then I'm going to test it. So stay tuned. Oh, and I also 3D printed the grill as well, but yeah, I'll show you how it looks like in a moment. Alright, so quick update. I have all these parts here ready. I soldered this wire for the speakers. Remember, these are 60-watt RMS speakers. So this is the print. This is how it turned out. I cleaned it up a little bit right here. Slightly rough, but it's fine. This will fit. Now it's just a matter of screwing it in place. So I'm going to put these on here, and then once I do that, then this should be ready to go. So I drilled the holes back here for the speaker wires on both sides. You can see that. So there you go, Hilbert curve inspired speakers. So quick update. I properly installed the speakers here, these woofers, and the tweeter that's built into it. And then here's the wiring you can see on the inside. Then I seal it with an epoxy. There's also an epoxy lining on the inside of the speaker back here. So now it's ready to be sealed. You can see all the Hilbert curves back here. So here we go. Alright, so I've activated the amplifier with the 18650s, and then I'm just going to play an organ video, organ music, because you know I like organ music. Let's try it out. Not bad. It's halfway volume, a little less than half. There's half. Let's try a little bit more. So here's an ear warning. Warning, I'm going to play a very loud sound through this speaker here at a very high volume, about 80%. Listen to this. Ready? Yep, it's quite loud. Sounds a bit like a spinning blade. And here's some royalty-free music played at the same volume. Whoops, it's shaky. And let me take these clamps off. I think it's done drying, and then I'm gonna place this on here, and then we're gonna try some guitar music on here, royalty free guitar music. Okay, here we go. I took off the clamps, and then there's a speaker right here. I snapped in this grill into place, and now here's some royalty free music. About 2.5 meters.